registered as EO98, do I need to register again as a freelancer and pay taxes and start fresh? Or do I need to include yung dati pa? Yung EO98 po, yan po pag kumukuha tayo ng TIN kay BIR tapos hindi tayo employed. Para meron na tayong tax identification number na magagamit natin pang fill out ng mga forms, especially for government or bank transactions. So ang meron pa lang po sa'yo ay TIN. Pag magre-register ka na po as a freelancer kay BIR, yung TIN mo na po ang gagamitin mo dahil isa lang po ang TIN ng isang individual taxpayer, whether unemployed, whether employed, or whether magre-register tayo ng business katulad niyan as a freelancer. Pag nag-register ka na po, from the BIR registration date, doon lang naman required yung compliance mo. So for example, nag-register ka ng July 10, 2025. From July 10 onwards, doon ka po magko-comply kay BIR. For freelancer, income tax return lang naman po usually ang compliance, lalo na kung naka 8% income tax rate option tayo. Pero take note, quarterly po ang pagfa-file ng income tax return. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.